Well, good morning. Grandpa Gary back on the Mark II here. I wanted to show everyone how I calculated the final position of the Panhard mount here longitudinally. So here's what I did. I'm not sure if the sound will be good, but I want to show you exactly how I calculated the final placement. So what I ended up doing is taking measurements off the other side from the driver's side, which is intact, from this bolt up here to the trailing edge of the Panhard mount. So if you can see, there's a bolt right there. I squared it off so the flat was facing forward, and then I measured back to the Panhard mount to this edge, and I got exactly on the other side, on the driver's side, 24 1/8 inches. So what I did with this one is the same thing. I took a measurement from that front bolt to here, and I positioned this exactly at 24 1/8 inches, this edge here. Now I also checked my measurement from here to this edge. Excuse me, sorry for the shaking. I'll get my light turned around. From here to here was 12 1/2 inches, and that's within a 32nd of an inch. Wasn't exactly precise, but it was close. And then I also took and checked the measurement from here to this bolt right here, and that was 25 and a bit inches. 25 1/2 actually, and those, the diagonal from here to here was consistent, from here to here was consistent, from the bolt to here was identical to the other side. So I'm pretty confident that I've got the final position of the Panhard mount where it needs to be now. So the next step is to reconstruct this side of the spring cage structure, the spring channel, I'm not sure what it's called, structure, and rebuild that. So I've got, I'm going to drop this down. I've got the outline on the completed side. I've got the outline marked here, the traced around, so I'll be able to duplicate the positioning and then clamp in place. But for now, what I need to do is I need to cut metal and make reconstruct this trailing edge of this channel, and then weld everything in there, and then finally place this Panhard mount exactly where it needs to go. Again, I apologize for the vibration in the video. I'm working on that. I'll be getting a brand new GoPro 13 here in the new year very soon, and I'm hoping that the tremors in my hands then won't be noticed. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to sign off and get busy cutting steel and getting the welding going here, and when I'm finished I'll show you the final product. Have a good day.